Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Very, very rough day on this one. And now to give a little credit where credit's due, at least the price did start to go sideways and work its way back upwards. But still, from a general perspective, overall a rough day. First thing I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $10.80 if there is any sort of continued bounce. And I say continued bounce because, again, to give some credit's due from the lows, the price did at least bounce up here a little bit. So if this continues, then the next key battleground to watch going into Monday and then, early next week is right there at $10.80. If the price can push up through that level, then at that point, the next key level you'd want to turn your attention to is the purple line there, the 50 period moving average. But one hurdle at a time. Let's first just see if the price can get up above 1080. As far as levels of support are concerned, got to squeeze down the chart here a little bit to offer up a little bit more perspective. But the first key level of support, nothing fancy, just simply where the price finally and the bleeding finally stopped today, right there at $9.50. So $9.50, like I said, for no other fancy reason other than that's just simply where the price stopped going down. So that just represents where the bid finally showed up strong enough. But if $9.50 does not hold up, next key level of support after that would then be down right around $8.80. So overall, rough way to end the week, but next week is a new week, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.